Welcome to ESPN's coverage of the WNBA, presented by Google, part of WNBA Pride, presented by Coach. We come to you from the packed Gainbridge Fieldhouse. The defending champion and unbeaten New York Liberty coming to town for the second time this year to take on the Indiana Fever. And what a few days it has been here in Indianapolis with Games 3 and 4 of the NBA Finals. Indiana took Game 3, but SGA and the Thunder coming back in the fourth quarter yesterday to tie that series up at 2 games apiece. And that was less than 24 hours ago. In fact, less than 18 hours ago. So they had to change over the court very quickly from the NBA Finals to the Indiana Fever look as we get ready for this game. And yes, she is back. Caitlin Clark will indeed be playing today. Missed the last 5 games with a strained quad, taking on the Liberty off to their best start ever. Sabrina Ionescu and company